What's up guys? Welcome to Lentz Lundy Boxing, and today we're going to learn how to feint. So, there are three feints that I really like to use while boxing. Firstly, feinting with a jab to the head. Secondly, feinting with a jab to the body. And thirdly, feinting with a hook to the head. So, it's very important to feint in boxing in order to find an opening on your opponent. For example, let's say if I feint downwards with my jab, my opponent will most likely do this. When they do this, they're blocking the body, they're leaving their face exposed. When they're doing so, I can come up with a punch upstairs rather than downstairs. That's a little example. So, feint number one, the feint jab to the head. So basically what I want to do is get into my boxing position, punch to the ceiling, and stomp on the ground. So it looks like this in slow motion. So that's how you feint the jab to the head. So, just like that. So if I do it fast, it looks like this. The second thing that I like, the feint jab to the body. So I get into my boxing position, I change levels, I bring my left hand slightly out, and I stomp with the left foot. Okay? So if I do it in slow-mo, it'll look like this. Just like that. So I'm stomping with the front foot, I'm bringing my left hand out, and I'm changing levels. So if I do it in real speed, it looks like this. So I'm in my boxing position, and I'm going to be here. Just like that. So stomping with the front foot, bringing the left hand out, and changing levels. Now the third feint that I really like to use is the feint hook. So what you want to do is firstly get into your boxing position. Take your left hand, bring it out. And at the same time, stomp with the left foot. So, just like that. Okay? So I bring the left hand to my left side, so I open up, and I stomp with the front foot. So, if I do it fast, it'll look like this. So that's how I feint the lead hook. Now I can show you how to use it in different situations. For example, I could feint upstairs, jab downstairs, just like that. When I feint upstairs, it influences my opponent to bring their hands up, probably do a defensive move to defend their head. So when they bring their hands up, it leaves their body exposed, which is why I jab to the body, for example. Okay? So, one feint setup that I like to use is feint upstairs, jab downstairs. So just like that. Another one is the opposite. So I'll feint downstairs with my jab, and I'll jab upstairs. Okay, so if I do it fast, it'll look like this. Okay, so same thing. I feint downstairs to make my opponent bring their hands down. When they bring their hands down, the face is exposed. Now, for the last one, when I feint the hook, by doing this, my opponent will do this. They'll block the side of their face, exposing the front of their face. So, when I do this, I like to come forward with a jab after. So, I influence my opponent to block the side of the face, exposing the front of the face, leaving my jab open to land. So if I do it fast, it looks like this. So just like that. So today we learned three kinds of feints. I hope that you use it at your next training, use it at your next fight, drill, drill, drill. Leave a like if you like the video, share it to a friend. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. Peace out. If you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. See ya.